控瓶子起瓶太快了。应该都搞水，可能效果好一点。对于这个控瓶子定位的也准。
可以。
This is a automatic, fully automatic press cap machine. Press cap to the bottle. The special thing for this one is it needs the caps to the right position. You know, the handle here, cap open should be this way, on this side. So we specially designed this machine. It connects to the filling line, and here we put orientation system, two orientation system. One is orientate the bottle to put it to the right position with handle all in the same direction. And on top we put orientation for caps. You know, check and put caps in the right direction. Then take cap and press to the bottom up. The whole machine comes with three servo systems. One servo system is this orientation thing. It can the speed is all speed are controllable on touch screen. So the servo motor can guarantee the bottle stay in the right stop, the right position. And you know, this one is adjustable, so it works for a range of bottle size, not only one. Here, this is the feeding track for caps. The caps feeding with a vibration bowl, and here with a small tray controlled by a pneumatic cylinder. So it will take caps and this way. Yeah, take caps and feed it to the bottom of the take capper. This one, take the cap, orientation here is sensor check the position. So another two servo. One is control the up down. This up down. You know, this one will down to take and down to press. Also, the second speed, the second moving down to press this to the bottle. So this is the servo. Another servo here is control the rotation. We set a good speed to make sure this Keynes sensor can check the parts properly. Okay, this is how it works. Follows input, clamp here, orientation, and the caps feeding. Feed the caps, take orientation, press on. So this is the how it works. The bottle is coming like this, random direction, and after that, of the capping like this. Okay, this is a touch screen. You know, there's an automatic take. When everything is ready, we just need to reset the servo to the right position and start the machine. It works automatically. Here is a alarm thing. You know, now the safety door open, so alarm here, the machine gets stopped. Manual page, all the motor or air cylinder, we can manually control on this page. This we use normally to set up the machine and also do some debugging from this page. Parameter is setting the servo's weight and also some delay time for the sensor or the air cylinder. Also, we can put another language on this screen.